Hello Glowies, welcome to SimSpot's another YouTube video. Today I have an exciting experiment lined up for you guys where I'll be testing a DIY skincare mask to tackle dry skin patches.
My skin is not doing so great since I moved here from India, and also I'm not familiar with the skincare market here yet. So I thought why not to try some ingredients from Mummy Di Rasoi. After doing so much of research, I ended up selecting these common ingredients which you can commonly find in your kitchen. And those are yogurt, honey, chia seeds, banana and coconut oil. Banana has vitamin A, C and E which works wonders on itchy skin, to which I am adding yogurt which contains lactic acid and it helps to exfoliate dead skin cells and moisturize the skin. And now turn for chia seeds which contain omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants and hydration properties. And last we have is honey and coconut oil to add extra moisture, and honey also acts as an humectant which draws extra moisture into your skin. And now we will let this mask sit for 15 minutes and then we will apply.
So before applying my mask, I'm gonna go and cleanse my face first. So for that, I'm gonna go in with my regular cleanser and will wash my face. Take a little amount of cleanser. And now time for the mask. So I'm gonna apply it all over my face and I'll keep it for like 30 minutes. If you want, you can apply it all over your neck as well. So that's it. I think this much is enough. Abhi ye bach gaya and I'll keep it in the refrigerator and we'll use it tomorrow. My mask has got dry now and it's time to remove it because it's almost past 30 minutes. So I'm gonna quickly wash my face. It just got stick to my face, so I had to use this paper towel.
My skin is definitely feeling fresh and rejuvenated, and I'm definitely gonna use it for 3-4 days to keep the moisture intact.
Even this mask was really moisturizing, but never forget to moisturize your face after washing it. So make sure you apply good moisturizer. And don't forget to moisturize your lips as well. A gentle reminder, what works for me may not work for you the same, so it's always good to do a patch test before applying it all over your face to avoid any allergies and reactions to the ingredients. This is it for today's video and I hope you found it helpful and informative. And if you have any natural skincare remedies or hacks, you can drop them down in my comment section below and I would love to try them. Once again, thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye, Glowies.